well, আমি কিছুমান কথা ডিসকাস কৰিলোঁ ইতিমধ্যে নহয় জানো so now let us discuss about units. Okay, units. Unit of rate of reaction and rate constant. Units of rate of reaction and rate constant. This is important. Okay, একক বিক্রিয়ার গতিবেগ আৰু গতি ধ্ৰুৱকৰ একক আচ্ছা so what is rate of reaction? Rate of reaction equal to concentration by time. Concentration by time. Okay, now what is the unit of concentration? Unit of concentration is mole per liter. Mole per liter. Okay, and unit of time may be hour, maybe minute, maybe second, maybe day. Okay, like that. Generally we write it second. So what is the unit of rate of reaction? Mole per liter per second. And mole per liter, it is also written as, you see, 1 liter equal to 1 decimeter cube. Okay, 1 liter equal to 1 decimeter cube. So in place of 1 liter I can write decimeter cube. তেতিয়া কি হ'ব? mole per decimeter cube per second. And mole per liter is also called molar. Mole per liter. Mole per liter. It is also called molar. Molar. Okay. So we can write it like this: molar per second. Per second. Okay. So this is the unit of rate of reaction. Okay. Now what is the rate constant? Suppose we have a reaction. For a reaction, suppose R equal to K. Our reaction is like this. Reactant product. Okay, আমার যেনিবা এইটো বিক্রিয়া রিয়েক্টেন্টৰ পৰা product পাইছো. গতিকে suppose for this reaction, this is the rate law. This is rate law. Suppose. So আমি last time কৈছো rate law. Okay, so for this reaction, suppose rate law is this. So what is the order of the reaction? So order must be 0. Order is 0. That means this is a zero order reaction. So this is a zero order reaction. Okay. So this is a zero order reaction. If rate law is this, then this is a zero order reaction. যদি rate law এইটো হয়, তেনেহলে reaction to কি হ'ব? Zero order reaction. Okay. So what will be the unit of rate constant? ইয়াৰ পৰা আমি কি লিখিব পাৰো? From this we can write this. This is equal to R by R to the power 0. And to the power 0 means 1. That is equal to R. This to the power 0, that means 1. So this is equal to R. This is 1. So R. That means for zero order reaction, okay, so for zero order reaction unit of K, unit of K, rate constant, equal to unit of R, and that is equal to mole per liter per second for zero order reaction. Okay, now say the reaction is first order reaction. Now say for this reaction, the rate law is, say, rate law is, say, R equal to K R to the power 1. Okay, that means order of the reaction is order equal to 1. That means it is a first order reaction. Okay, so we have talked about zero order reaction. Now say this reaction is a first order reaction. Rate law is this. So in this case, what is K? K equal to R by R to the power 1. So what is the unit of R? Unit of R is mole per liter per second. And what is the unit of R? This is mole per liter. So this cancels, okay? This cancels. So this is equal to second inverse. That means for first order reaction, okay, for first order reaction, unit of K equal to time inverse. Time may be second, time may be minute, time may be hour, and so on. Okay, that means you see, by looking at the unit of K, we can say whether the reaction is zero order or whether the reaction is first order. K unit to psi আমি ক'ব পাৰোঁ reaction to zero order হ'ব নে first order হ'ব, and so on. Okay, now let us see, suppose for this reaction rate law is, say, this. KER square. That means here order is 2. Okay, if rate law is this, order is 2, that means it is a second order reaction. Now what will be the unit of K? As before, this is equal to R square. Okay, this is equal to mole per liter per second, and this is equal to mole per liter square. So ultimately unit will be equal to liter per mole per second. It will be this. Okay, liter per mole per second. So you see, looking at the unit of K, we can determine what the order of the reaction is. Okay, মানে K unit to চাই আমি ৰিয়েকশ্যনটোৰ অৰ্ডাৰ কি হ'ব সেইটো আমি ক'ব পাৰোঁ. Okay, so this is all about unit of rate of reaction and rate constant. Now let us discuss about zero order reaction. Okay, let us discuss about zero order reaction. zero order reaction. Okay, শূন্য ক্ৰমৰ বিক্ৰিয়া, zero order reaction. Now let us see some examples. Let us see some examples of zero order reaction. Okay, first let us see some examples of zero order reaction. One example is decomposition of ammonia. Decomposition of ammonia on hot platinum surface. This is catalysis reaction. And what which is the catalyst? Catalyst is the platinum. Okay, so ammonia decomposition hobo bibhangon hobo on hot platinum surface. That means in this reaction platinum is the catalyst. Okay, so reaction to hobo ki, reaction is this: 2 ammonia, this is platinum, N2 plus 3H2. Okay, now this reaction is of zero order reaction. Coefficient is 2. Okay, coefficient is 2. Great. If you apply law of mass action, তুমি যদি law of mass action apply কৰা, no, if you apply law of mass action কি হ'ব লাগিছিল? আমাৰ এনেকুৱা হ'ব লাগিছিল কি ammonia square হ'ব লাগিছিল, but it is not. This is not true. Okay, this is not true. This is not true. For this reaction, that means from experiment what we find, R equal to K into ammonia to the power 0, that means K. That means it is a zero order reaction. In fact, enekwa catalystor presence of bahut reaction, many reactions which take place in presence of catalyst are of zero order. Na catalystor presence of enekwa bahut reaction order ki hoy zero order order. This is first example. Second example is ki again decomposition of nitrous oxide. Okay, decomposition of nitrous oxide. Nitrous oxide is this. This is nitrous oxide. Decomposition of nitrous oxide once again on platinum surface. Okay, hot platinum surface. Once again on hot platinum surface. And reaction hole ami ki pam? 2N2 plus O2. It reaction. Once again this reaction is of order 0. Okay, A2 reaction of ki hobo? R will be equal to K N2O to the power 0, that means K. Zero order reaction. Okay, zero order reaction. Next, there is another example, decomposition of hydrogen iodide. Okay, decomposition of hydrogen iodide on gold surface. Gold, here gold is the catalyst. Anughatok, gold is the catalyst. Yato ki hobo? Reaction is zero order reaction. Order 0. So these are some examples of zero order reaction. Okay, now let us consider say this is a zero order reaction. Let us consider that this is a zero order reaction. Okay, zero order. this reaction is of zero order. Okay, আমি ধৰি লৈছোঁ এই ৰিয়েকশ্যনটো যেনিবা জিৰ' অৰ্ডাৰ ৰিয়েকশ্যন. অ'কে, চ' ইনিচিয়েলি আৰম্ভণিতে ইয়াৰ কনচেন্ট্ৰেশ্যন কিমান আছিল? R naught মেক্সিমাম, টাইম ইকুৱেল টু জিৰ'. গতিকে আৰম্ভণিতে ইয়াৰ কনচেন্ট্ৰেশ্যন মেক্সিমাম আৰু ইয়াৰ কনচেন্ট্ৰেশ্যন কিমান? জিৰ'. অ'কে, initially concentration of reactant is maximum, concentration of product is zero. But once again, what is initial stage of the reaction? Reaction to আৰম্ভণি অৱস্থা মানে কি? আৰম্ভণি অৱস্থা মানে কি? Reaction to just start হৈছে. Reaction just start হৈছে, product form হোৱা নাই. The reaction has just started, product has not been formed. So product has not been formed, so zero. Concentration of reactant is maximum. Okay, now at time t, reaction to হোৱাৰ t সময় পিছত, say concentration of reactant is say RT and concentration of product is say PT. Okay, this. Now you see, আমি ধৰি লৈছোঁ যে reaction to zero order. Okay, we have assumed that the reaction is zero order. Okay, so what is the differential rate equation? Differential rate equation is minus dr by dt equal to dp by dt equal to kr to the power 0. That means k. R to the power 0, so it is k. Okay, this is the differential rate equation. Now let me take this portion. Okay, minus dr by dt equal to k. মই যেনিবা অকল এইটো অংশ লৈছোঁ. Okay, now ইয়াক মই এনেকৈ লিখিব পাৰোঁ, or I can write like this, say dr equal to minus k dt. মই তেনেকৈ লিখিব পাৰোঁ. Okay, now integrating both sides. Okay, integrating. What do we get in the what do we do? dr equal to k is constant, so আমি এইটো বাহিৰত ৰাখিম, k constant বাহিৰত ৰাখিম, dt. Okay, integration dt. আৰু ইণ্টিগ্ৰেশ্যনৰ লিমিটটো কি? টাইম ইজ ফ্ৰম 0 to t. Time is from 0 to t. Okay, time is from 0 to t. And when time is 0, concentration of R is R naught. Time is 0, concentration of R is R naught. Time is t, concentration of R is RT. So this is RT. Okay, we can do this. Now you know integration dx equal to x. So integration dr, so it will be equal to r. And what is the limit? R naught RT equal to minus k, and integration dt will be equal to t, 0 t. Okay, so তুমি যদি লিমিটটো বহুৱাই দিয়া, you put the limit, so it will be RT minus R naught, RT minus R naught, that will be equal to minus KT minus KT minus 0. So it will, or we can write RT equal to R naught minus KT. So এইটো আমি এটা এক্সপ্ৰেশ্যন পালোঁ। এই এক্সপ্ৰেশ্যনটোৰ পৰা আমি কি গম পাম? এই এক্সপ্ৰেশ্যনটোৰ পৰা আমি কি গম পাম যে সময় যোৱাৰ লগে লগে ৰিয়েক্টেণ্টৰ কনচেন্ট্ৰেশ্যন কিমান বাকী থাকিব। What is the concentration of R left? Okay, so what is the concentration of R reactant left at time t? So hey relation to ami. Now using this equation we can draw a graph. আমি এটা গ্রাফ আঁকিব পাৰোঁ। এই গ্রাফডাল সে এই ইকুৱেশ্যনটো কেনেকুৱা, সাপোজ দিস ইজ y, this is y, and t means say x, so this is minus kx, and this is say c. So this equation is like this. Okay, y minus mx, but it is minus, mind that, plus c. Good, equation to this equation is like this, and you know this is the equation of a straight line. না এই ইকুৱেশ্যনটো ইউজ কৰি আমি গ্ৰাফ এডাল আঁকিলে গ্ৰাফডাল কি হ'ব, গ্ৰাফডাল এডাল ষ্ট্ৰেইট লাইন হ'ব। অ'কে, চ' লেট আছ ড্ৰ এ গ্ৰাফ। চ' দিছ, অ'কে, নাও হিয়াৰ উই আৰ প্লটিং টি এণ্ড হিয়াৰ উই আৰ প্লটিং আৰ টি। অ'কে, আৰ টি। নাও ইউ চি, ইয়াতে এটা কথা আছে, যদি এইটো এম কে মিনছ এম, if this is positive, graph will be like this, okay, if this is positive, graph will be like this, but here this is negative, negative হোৱাৰ কাৰণে গ্ৰাফডাল কেনেকুৱা হ'ব, গ্ৰাফ will be this, it is a straight line, graph will be this, okay, and this is C, this is C means this is R naught, okay, this is R naught. So you see, as time passes, concentration of R decreases. সময় যোৱাৰ লগে লগে আৰৰ কনচেন্ট্ৰেশ্যন কমি আহিছে। অ'কে, চ' মেথমেটিকেলি এইটো ইকুৱেশ্যন ইউজ কৰি গ্ৰাফ এডাল আঁকিলে গ্ৰাফডাল কেনেকুৱা হ'ব সেইটো আমি মেথমেটিক্স ইউজ কৰি প্ৰেডিক্ট কৰিব পাৰোঁ। We can predict the nature of the graph when we plot this versus time, because this is just like this. This is the equation of straight line, but here k is negative, m is negative, so graph will be like this. If m were positive, m or k were positive, the graph would have been like this. Okay, this is the difference. So we are getting this, and this is the equation, and this is the integrated form. Okay, integrated form for zero order equation. Now here এই গ্ৰাফডালত here what is m? Suppose our equation is this m. What is m? M is the slope. M is the slope. And what is slope? Slope equal to tan theta. Tan theta. And what is tan theta? Perpendicular by base. Okay, perpendicular by base. So you draw here right angle triangle. Eta homokoni tribhuj aka. You draw here right angle triangle. Okay, this is say y, this is y, and this is x, this is x, this x, this is y. No, তুমি এটা সমকোণী ত্ৰিভুজ আঁকা, ত্ৰিভুজ আঁকিলে এইটো হ'ব x, এইটো হ'ব y. So tan theta will be equal to y by x. So you can find out the slope. No, and here slope means it is k. Here slope means it is k. That means you can find out the rate constant. তুমি rate constant or value to উলিয়াব পাৰা, গতি ধ্ৰুৱকৰ value to উলিয়াব পাৰা. Okay, so next let us discuss another thing which is called half-life period. Half-life period. Half-life period. Let me write it as T half. T half. Half-life period. Okay. What is half-life period? This is the time required for half decomposition of the initial amount of the reactant. Okay, time required for half decomposition of the initial amount of the reactant. যিমান সময়ত ৰিয়েক্টেণ্টৰ ইনিচিয়েল এমাউণ্ট আৰম্ভণি যিমান আছিল, ইনিচিয়েল এমাউণ্ট তাৰ আধা ডিকম্প'জ হ'ব. অ'কে, চে এইটো ৰিয়েকশ্যনতে এইটো ৰিয়েকশ্যনতে চে ইনিচিয়েলি টাইম ইকুৱেল টু 0. ইনিচিয়েলি ছাপ'জ 100 আছিল, ছাপ'জ 100. অ'কে, গতিকে 100ৰ পৰা কিমান হ'ব লাগিব? হাফ ডিকম্পজিশ্যন, তাৰমানে আধা, ইয়াৰে আধা পি লৈ কনভাৰ্ট হ'ব লাগিব. হাফ অফ দিছ মাষ্ট বি কনভাৰ্টেড ইনটু পি. অ'কে, চ' তাৰমানে এইটো কিমান বাকী ৰ'ব? হাউ মাছ উইল ৰিমেইন? Initially we have 100. How much of R is to be converted into B? Half means 50. Initially we have 100. So half of this has to be converted into P. Na ইয়াৰে আধা P লৈ কনভাৰ্ট হ'ব লাগিব, তাৰমানে কিমান হ'ব লাগিব? 50. So how much will remain? 100 minus 50. That means 50. Okay, গতিকে টাইম ৰিকুৱাৰ্ড ফৰ হাফ ডিকম্পজিশ্যন অফ দি ইনিচিয়েল এমাউণ্ট, আৰম্ভণিতে যিমান থাকে তাৰে আধা প্ৰডাক্টলৈ কনভাৰ্ট হ'ব লাগিব, আৰু ইনিচিয়েলি যিমান থাকে তাৰ আধা প্ৰডাক্টলৈ কনভাৰ্ট হওঁতে যিমান সময় লাগিছে, that is the half life period. This is the half life period. Okay, ইনিশিয়েলি যিমান থাকে তাৰ আধা প্ৰডাক্টলৈ কনভাৰ্ট হওঁতে যিমান সময় লাগিছে, this is the half life period. Okay, half life period. So let me write it like this. Say initially we have this, okay, we have this, and at t half, initially we have this, আৰু কিমান কনভাৰ্ট হ'ব লাগিব, half of this কনভাৰ্ট হ'ব লাগিব. So how much will remain? R naught by 2, and RT will be equal to R naught by 2. Okay, initially এইখিনি আছিল, গতিকে টি হাফত কি হ'ব, হাফ লাইফ পিৰিয়ডত কি হ'ব, আধা, ইয়াৰে আধা প্ৰডাক্টলৈ কনভাৰ্ট হ'ব. গতিকে হাউ মাছ উইল ৰিমেইন, this minus this. So RT will be equal to this. Okay, now this equation, okay, this equation is a number 1. This equation is a number 1. Okay, this equation is number 1. Now from 1 what we get, RT equal to R naught by 2. This is equal to R naught minus K, and T equal to T half. Okay, or K T half equal to R naught by 2, because এইটো ইফালে আহি যাব ন, R naught minus R naught by 2, so it will be this. Okay, hence what is T half equal to R naught by 2K. Okay, now K is constant, so what we can write, constant into R naught. That means T half is proportional to R naught. Okay, so we get this. So for zero order reaction, half life period is proportional to initial concentration of the reactant. Half life is proportional to initial concentration of the reactant for zero order reaction. Okay, half life is proportional to initial concentration of the reactant. Now let us solve small problems. আমি দুইটা সৰু অংক কৰোঁ. Let us solve say decomposition of hydrogen iodide on gold surface is zero order reaction. And the rate constant is 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 4 molar per second. molar per second. Okay, now if the initial concentration of hydrogen iodide is 5 mole, if 0.5 molar, calculate its concentration, after 3 into 10 to the power 3 second. Okay, this is number one question. If the initial concentration is this, calculate its concentration after this. Second part is that how long will it take for all of hydrogen iodide to decompose? How long will it take for all hydrogen iodide to decompose? Okay, so ইয়াত আমাৰ কি দিয়া আছে, what has been given? Rate constant is given. 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 4 molar per second. Rate constant is given. Okay, then what else given? Initial concentration that is given. Initial concentration is given, that is 0.5 molar. তাৰপিছত কি সুধিছে? Initial concentration is given. After this second, how much of HI will remain? Okay, so time is given. 3 into 10 to the power 3 second, 3000 second. Okay, 3000 second time is given. And কি সুধিছে আৰু how much of HI will remain? That means you have to find out this. How much of HI will remain? You have to find out this. So it is very simple. You use equation 1. Okay, you use equation 1. Say RT equal to HI T equal to initial concentration minus KT. Okay, so very simple. 0.5 molar initial concentration. Okay, minus K equal to 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 4 molar per second into T equal to 3000 second. Okay, now second cancel. So you just simplify and you will get the answer, this much molar. Okay, then second question is, what is the second question? Second question is that the initial concentration, how long all HI decompose. That means initial concentration of this should be 0. It has to be 0. Okay, it has to be 0. So এইটো 0 হৈ যাব, এইটো 0 হৈ মানে RT will become okay. Then equation, your solution will be this. This will be R naught by K, R naught by K, and just simplify, you will get the answer. Okay, just put the values and simplify, you will get the answer. All all HI has to be converted into product, converted into product. That means that aru HI baki nathakibo. Okay, you will get this. That means your RT will be 0. Okay, RT will be 0. Okay, if RT is 0, so we will get RT is 0, you will get R naught minus KT equal to 0. So you will get this. Okay, so you just simplify and you will get the answer. Okay, now let us see another problem. Say, suppose suppose you have been given, okay, say this is the reaction given. This is the reaction given, okay, this is the reaction given, and say initial concentration of A, initial concentration of A is 0.5 molar. Okay, initial concentration of A is 0.5 molar. Okay, and at time 10 minute, at time 10 minute, how much of A remains? A remains 0.2 molar. Okay, this is the initial concentration. Remain. Okay, what will be the average rate? This is given, and what will be the average rate? What will be the average rate of the reaction? Okay, so how to find out this? We know average rate equal to minus half del A by del T. Okay, so minus half, this is from definition. Okay, this is from definition. So del A, this is del, what is del A? AT minus A naught. That means 0.2 molar minus 0.5 molar, and T equal to 10 minus 0. Okay, 10 minus 0 minute, and we can, this will be positive, so minus, this will be ultimately positive because this is negative. So this is 0.3. Okay, 0.3 molar by 10 into 60 second. So you just simplify and you will get the answer. This is molar per second. You will get the answer. Okay, similar question, you see, say this is the reaction 2N2O5 from this 4NO2 plus O2. Okay, so initial concentration. Okay, initial concentration of reactant N2O5 naught, initial concentration is 2.33 molar, 2.33 molar. And after 184 minute, this becomes 2.08 molar. Okay. Now, what is average rate? What is average rate? This is number one question. What is average rate? That means then what is second? What are average rates of formation of NO2 and O2. So these are the two questions. So once again, as before, so what is average rate? Average rate equal to, again 2, so it is minus half del N2O5 del T, okay, and this is equal to minus half, and this is 2.08 molar minus 2.33 molar, and this is 184 into 60 second. So ultimately you will get some result. Okay, positive hobo, you will get some result here. Okay, kiba eta result poa jabo aru, you just simplify, you will get result. Moi baru eta dekhoi disu, this is half and this will be 0.25. Okay, then 184 into 60, this is molar, this is second. Okay, this. Now rate of formation of NO2. Now we know average rate of formation okay, average. Now we know average rate equal to minus half del N2O5 del T equal to 1/4 del NO2 del T and del O2 del T. We know this. Okay, so 1/4 del NO2 del T, that will be equal to half into 0.25 molar, 184 into 60 second. You have to simplify, mind that you have to simplify. This will be more molar per second. You have to simplify. Okay, this again. Okay, so you will get some result here. Hence del NO2 del T will be equal to 4 into half into 0.25 molar, 184 into 60 second. Okay, just simplify and you will get the answer. Okay, and del O2 by del T, and that will be equal to half into 0.25 molar 184 into 60 second. Okay, so you have to solve like this. You have to solve like this. Now let us talk about first order reaction. Okay, first order reaction. Suppose this is the first order reaction. We assume that this is a first order reaction. আমি ধৰি লৈছোঁ এইটো এটা first order reaction. So again, initially as before, initially concentration is R naught, concentration 0. At time t concentration RT, and this is PT. Okay, we may also write like this. Suppose this is equal to A. Okay, this is equal to A. So at time t, x from A goes to P. Na initially A mole asil. Initially, suppose we have A mole. At time t, x mole has been converted. Initially, amar kiman ase A mole ase. Aru at time t, kiman khini P loi convert hoise? At time t, x mole converted to P. So how much of A remains? Initially A asil, tar pora kiman gusi gol? X gusi gol. Okay, how much remains? This A minus X. Aru from here, from 1R we get 1P. From 2R we get 2P. From X we will get X. So this will be X. Okay, so we may call it A means R naught, we may call it R naught, and X we may call it PT. PD. So we may write like this. Okay, any problem? Kiba problem asene? So initially we have A. Okay, and how much of R has been converted to P? X. From A, X has been converted to P. So how much of R remains? Initially A, X converted. So A minus X remains. And what is A? R naught. What is X? PT. So this. Okay, now let us see. This is first order reaction. So what is the differential rate equation? Differential rate equation is minus dr by dt equal to dp by dt equal to kr. Differential rate equation is this. Okay, this is the differential rate equation. Or we can write minus dr by dt equal to kr. Or we can write like this. Okay, or we can write it like this. Say I bring this side, so it will be 1 by r. Then dr equal to minus k dt. Okay, just r, 1 by r, dr, then k dt. Okay, now once again integrating. That means we have to do this integration. 1 by r dr minus k. K is constant, so we take it out, dt. And what is the limit? As before, what is limit? Time 0 to t, time 0 to t, and when time is 0, r naught, when time is t, rt. Okay, so as before, 0 to t, and this is r naught, this is rt. Now say if you consider that this is equal to x, if you think like that, so this will be 1 by x dx, 1 by x dx, integration 1 by x dx equal to ln x. And what is ln? Ln means log to the base e x, log to the base e x. Okay, now if you want to convert it into log to the base 10, here base is e. If we want to convert it into 10, in place of e, 10, then we have to multiply by 2.303. Okay, so we have to do this. Now here integration 1 by x dx, so this is ln x. What is x? R, ln r. And what is the limit? r naught rt, and this is minus kt. So we are getting this, or ln rt minus ln r naught equal to minus kt. Okay, or log m minus log n equal to log of m by n, log of m by n equal to minus kt, Now you see, suppose we have e to the power x equal to y. Suppose we have this. Okay, if we write in log form, আমাৰ এইটো এটা এক্সপ্ৰেশ্যন আছে, ইয়াক যদি মই লগ ফৰ্মত লিখিব লাগে, কেনেকৈ লিখিম? লগ টু দি বেছ লগ y to the base e equal to x, and log to the base means ln y equal to x. That means if we have this, we can write like this. Okay, আমাৰ যদি এনেকুৱা থাকে, আমি এনেকৈ লিখিব পাৰোঁ। ঠিক আছে, গতিকে এইটোক যদি মই লগ হিচাপে লিখোঁ, তেতিয়া কি হ'ব? লগ y to the base e equal to x, and log to the base e equal to ln y. So just compare ln y equal to x. Okay, ln y as if ln y equal to x. তেনেকুৱা নহয়নে? গতিকে মই e to the power হিচাপে লিখিলে কি হ'ব? So e to the power minus kt will be equal to this rt by r not. Achha, let me write this as equation 2. Let me write this as equation 2. Okay, so we are getting this. So RT equal to R naught e to the power minus KT. So we are getting another expression. Okay, so this is the equation 3. This is equation 3. Okay, equation 3. This is equation 3. Now what is RT? RT equal to R naught. Okay, RT equal to R naught minus PT. RT equal to R naught minus PT. So or we can write R naught minus PT equal to R naught e to the power minus KT. Hence PT will be equal to R naught minus R naught e to the power minus KT, and that is equal to R naught into 1 minus e to the power minus KT. Okay, PT. Now ইয়াৰ পৰা আমি কি পাম? What we get from this? How the concentration of reactant changes with time. সময়ৰ লগে লগে reactantor concentration কেনেকৈ সলনি হৈছে. This equation will give this. Similarly, এইটোৱে কি দিব? How the concentration of product varies with time t. না প্ৰডাক্টৰ কনচেন্ট্ৰেশ্যন সময়ৰ লগে লগে কেনেকৈ সলনি হৈছে, এইটো আমি এই দুটাৰ পৰা পাম, ৰিয়েক্টেণ্টৰ কনচেন্ট্ৰেশ্যন, প্ৰডাক্টৰ কনচেন্ট্ৰেশ্যন. লেট মি ফাইণ্ড আউট এনাডাৰ এক্সপ্ৰেশ্যন. সে ফ্ৰম 2 equation 2 I may write it like this. Equation 2. Okay, equation 2 I may write like this. Suppose I multiply by minus 1. If I multiply by minus 1, this will be minus, this will be plus, this will be plus. Okay, that means we will get ln RT minus, this will be plus ln R naught, and this will be plus. Okay, this will be plus. Or now this is log m minus log n. So or ln R naught by RT equal to KT. And this is ln x log to the base ex. No? If we convert it to 10 base, then what we get? 2.303 log to the base 10. 10 we generally do not write. Log to the base 10 we generally do not write. That will be equal to KT. Okay. Now from this, K will be equal to 2.303 by T log R naught by RT. Okay, so this is the expression for the rate constant. Expression for the rate constant of first order reaction. This is the expression for the rate constant of first order reaction. So we are getting 3 expressions for first order reaction. First order reaction karone ami tinta expression palu. Eta hoise etu how the concentration of reactant changes with time, how the concentration of product varies with time, and this is the expression for the rate constant of first order reaction. So let us stop here today. Next we will discuss something about first order reaction, and we will also solve some problems. So আজি আমি ইয়াতে থওঁ, নেক্সট টাইম আমি কি কৰিম, ফাৰ্ষ্ট অৰ্ডাৰ ৰিয়েকশ্যনৰ বিষয়ে আৰু কিছুমান কথা ডিছকাছ কৰিম, লগে লগে কিছুমান প্ৰব্লেম সলভ কৰিম। অ'কে, চ' থেংক ইউ।